Welcome to a comprehensive guide on disassembling the IJOY Beach Bomb Bluetooth speaker. Please note, this process may void your warranty, so proceed carefully and at your own risk. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flashlight for better visibility, a 2mm Allen wrench, a storage bin for organizing screws and small parts, and needle nose pliers for handling smaller components. Ensure the speaker is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Remove any straps or lanyards to have a clear workspace. Start by removing all 6 visible screws on the top cover using the Allen wrench. Carefully pry off the top cover with a plastic opening tool, using a flashlight for visibility. With the top cover removed, gently detach wire harnesses so it can completely separate. Locate the battery bracket and carefully unscrew it, detaching it from the main assembly. Use your needle nose pliers for more precise handling if needed. Remove the battery and set the screws aside. Carefully peel away the outer cushion, being mindful of how it fits for when you reassemble later. Next, locate and unscrew any fasteners holding the base plate to the frame tray. Carefully lift away and place any removed screws in your storage bin. Carefully disconnect all harnesses connected to the various components using tweezers or pliers, being cautious not to damage any connectors. Identify any screws or clips holding the PCB in place, then lift it out gently, ensuring to disconnect any attached harnesses carefully. All parts should separate after all 4 fasteners and 2 PCB fasteners are removed. Unscrew and remove the speakers, paying attention to how they are secured. Next, gently push out the face sheet from the top cover. Finally, remove the speaker gaskets, noting their placement for reassembly. And that's it. The IJOY Beach Bomb is now fully disassembled. Handle all parts with care to avoid damage and remember to reverse the steps to reassemble. Thanks for watching.